Hello. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to access and adjust power management settings on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Step 1. Access power options. Open the search menu and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel result. At the top right corner, set View by to Large icons. Click on Power Options to open the power management settings. Step 2. Choose or customize a power plan. You will see different power plans. Balanced, the default setting, it automatically adjusts your CPU speed and brightness depending on what you're doing, offering a balance between performance and power savings. Power Saver reduces system performance, screen brightness, and background activity to save energy, best for extending battery life on laptops. High performance keeps your CPU running at a higher speed more consistently, reduces sleep delays, and keeps brightness higher. Great for gaming or performance-heavy tasks, but uses more power. Select a plan that best fits your needs. In the left pane, click Choose when to turn off the display. Here you can set how long your screen stays on when your computer is idle. Under Put the computer to sleep, choose Never to Prevent Sleep mode. Click Save Changes to apply the settings. That's it. Choosing the right power plan and display timeout can help extend your battery life or boost your computer's performance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.